Ranger Recon Airsoft here, buddies. Unboxing. Well, sort of a re-unboxing for me and unboxing for you. That's how I have it on boxes, guys. For you all. I unboxed this on my other channel. This is the gun, Glock 23. I sent off for repairs and parts, new parts. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Should be something in here. Shit. I know what this is. Put that aside. Yada yada. Here's the pistol with no mag. Where the fuck is the mag? Oh, it's right there. Oh, I see. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that's lighting a lot better. See, guys, these are my custom engravings into it too. You can kind of see GFA for Godfather Airsoft. Play for them, you know. And like, I don't know, this is something you really can't tell. Teleworks stands for kills, like you've seen in Black Ops. If you pay attention, you freaking noobs. Now, some of you are probably wondering what this was. The mysterious little white box. Show ya. Ta-da! Holy shit, it's a diamond. Nah, I'm just kidding. Oh, shit. It's one of these crystal things. For this, you know, guys, no, I'm not queer. This is a crystal with a firefighter and a policeman in it. Basically commemorating 9/11. See the American flag in the background. Hard to tell for you guys, but now that is intense detail. I'm telling you guys. Only in America. God. Yeah, about that. Saw it on the guy's store. 9/11, guys. Gotta support it. Whee, yay, pretty colors. That's gonna look good on my stand. So yeah. Bam bam. Stay tuned, or not stay tuned, but I'm gonna probably do a shooting test this weekend, Christmas weekend, and I'm gonna unbox some shit I get for Christmas. TV, bitches. Hopefully. So yeah, comment, rate, and subscribe, and eraser for the win. Come on, man, that's a pony right there. That's an eraser. So random. Alright, guys, comment.